In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome Incognito mode, what it actually does, and how to close it properly when you're finished. Incognito is a super useful feature when you want a more private browsing session. Whether you're checking something on a shared computer, signing into a second account, or simply browsing without saving your local history. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the main Chrome menu. Click those dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, choose New Incognito window. As soon as you click it, a new dark-themed browser window will open, and that means Incognito mode is now active. You can also use the shortcut if you want to save a little time, but the menu method is the easiest to remember if you're just getting started. Now, let's talk about what Incognito mode actually does, because there's a lot of confusion about this. Incognito does not save your browsing history on your device. That means the websites you visit won't appear in your normal Chrome history after you close the window. It also does not save cookies, site data, or information you type into forms. So if you're entering search terms, addresses, or login details, Chrome won't keep that information locally after the session ends. Another important thing to know is that Incognito keeps you signed out of your account until you manually log in. So if you open YouTube, Gmail, or any other site in Incognito, you'll usually need to sign in again because Chrome is not using your regular saved session. That makes it helpful for testing websites, using multiple accounts, or browsing without your usual profile information affecting the session. However, it's important to remember that Incognito is not the same as being invisible online. Your internet provider, employer, school, or the websites themselves may still be able to see activity in some cases. So Incognito gives you privacy on your device, but not complete anonymity on the internet. Now let's go over how to close Incognito mode correctly. To end the session, simply close all open Incognito windows by clicking the X in the top corner of the browser window. If you have more than one Incognito window open, make sure you close every single one. Once all Incognito windows are closed, Chrome will clear the local session data from that private browsing session. That's why it's a good idea to close the window when you're done, especially if you're on a shared computer or public device. So to recap, opening Incognito in Google Chrome is easy. Click the 3 dots, choose New Incognito window, browse privately, and then close all Incognito windows when you're finished. It's a quick, simple tool that can be really useful once you know how it works. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.